addition and multiplication. The standard says I can apply the associative, commutative, and distributive properties. However, before you can apply them, you have to learn what they are. So we are going to be watching 3 short videos on each one to learn what they are. In your packet, the first example I give you is the identity property. We're going to learn what the identity property is, so you're going to have a little thing to fill out. I've already filled this one out for you. The words mean a definition. If you can't find the definition of video, just go ahead and Google it, but write it in your own words. Example, the definition for the identity property is when 0 is added or 1 is multiplied to any number, the answer is the number. So let's put that in our own words. Basically, when you add 0 or multiply by 1, your answer is going to be whatever you started with or itself. So that's your first task on each of the videos, is to watch and get the definition and put it in your own words. Then you're going to be filling in numbers. So for the identity property, just give me an example. 5 plus 0 equals 5. Started with 5, you end with itself. 1 times 3, started with 3 times the 1, and you get 3. The algebra now just means I need to replace the one number with a letter. For instance, in my first numbers, I just replaced it with the letter A. 0 plus A would get me back to itself, or A. B times 1 would equal B. Then your task will be to get some sort of a drawing. The videos have the drawing. You can copy what they have just to help us remember. For the identity property, I have a driver's license because it shows your identity. Or if you look in a mirror, it shows you your identity. You have now, as you watch the next 3 videos in Schoology, you need to fill out each one of them. Make sure you're doing them on the right card. Use your search tool again if you need to find the definition, but make sure they're in your own words. When you are done, you have an iExcel to do. It'll be on your Schoology page.